Okay. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we know what this video is about, don't we? We saw the title and we're both excited. Hallelujah. So today I have a little unboxing for you. I do have an unboxing. But first things first, I understand the time at hand. I know for some people it's going to feel like, well, why are you even giving me a disclaimer right now? Like, I don't even need to hear this. For some other people, you're going to need to hear me say this first, okay? Otherwise you're going to think I'm some sort of insensitive person, which is not what I am. So I'm going to put a disclaimer out there and just say that me doing this unboxing doesn't mean that I'm insensitive to anything or anyone. Yeah. To be honest, I don't really know what to say, but I feel like I should say something and say that not everybody's situation is the same. Of course, if this unboxing is not going to be good for you mentally, then obviously please don't watch it. If of course it does give you an element of escape, then definitely proceed with the video. I am sweating ferociously right now. I just don't want to rub anyone the wrong way, okay? I'm sorry, Alright, you know what? Let's just move on. Let's move on. I hope you appreciate this unboxing. I hope you like my recent addition to the family. Let's get on with this video. I'm so excited. Okay, so as you saw by the thumbnail, I'm unboxing something from Fashionphile. Now, I've never in my life bought anything from Fashionphile. This is my first experience with Fashionphile. And furthermore to that fact, I have never bought anything pre-loved, ever. I was never really a pre-loved lady. I think in the past, I just never really understood that you can find some bags that are the exception, meaning that there's some bags come from homes that have been really, really looked after very, very well. Some of these bags are vintage bags. They're well kept, they had respectful owners, and they just knew what they were doing, and they were kind of similar to me in the sense of they were handbag collectors. Because honestly, some pieces you can find, even they're vintage or not vintage, they're in pristine condition. I understand pre-loved and everything, it just wasn't me. It wasn't me, it isn't me entirely, but I can definitely say that I'm growing in that department, and I have bought my first pre-loved bag. I can't even believe my mouth is saying that. If you know me, like know me, my real life know me, this is quite shocking. I don't want it to come off in a certain way either, but that's just a fact. That's the realness, okay? That's just me keeping it real with you. Like, that is, yeah, okay. So I got this little beauty off Fashionphile, as I said, and my experience was pretty pleasant. I didn't have any hiccups of any sort. I kind of saw this bag on Fashionphile. Those of you that eyeboggle Fashionphile as well, you're probably going to be like, oh yeah, I saw that on there. Isn't it funny? Like, I watch Fashionphile unboxings and I'm like, girl, I saw that piece. Well, I'll try and do it up here actually. So this is the one I got. I don't know if this light is too bright, to be honest, but anyways. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-doo-doo. This light is not doing any justice right now at all. It's darker in real life than the camera is even showing it to be. But like, it's a beige tone color. From here it looks like the camera's making it look like a light beige, but actually it's a dark beige. So as you can see, it's a Chanel bag. Yes, she is Chanel. I know we all have mixed feelings about Chanel right now, but and she is a calf tin leather. She's very soft and buttery. I love her so much. I cannot even translate my excitement through the camera. I can't. I simply can't. Oh, she's absolutely stunning. I feel like she's me in a bag. Like color-wise, I mean, come on. She's from the Stampede Bowler bag line, and this bag's actually from 2005. Can we just take a moment to appreciate she's from 2005? My god, is she 15 years old? But she is absolutely stunning. This will be me in 15 years. I'll never age, darling, never. I was absolutely blown away by the quality of this bag. She has the diamond quilted stitch right here, which is impeccable condition, okay? I have no fraying whatsoever, no unstitching, no unraveling, no nothing. I have literally no marks on this bag that I just can't even personally believe it. Stunning. So I have this back pocket here, which I think is absolutely amazing. Here, I'll show you, is my phone. I can fit my telephone, yeah? I can fit my phone in there very nicely and comfortably, okay? She's not bulging or anything. But let's take her out. This is the bag. She, as I said, is from 2005. She cost me, how much was this? $995, I believe I paid for this, which in my opinion was well worth it. I did a little bit of research on the bag before I actually bought it, and she's priced it very well. Considering the condition that she's actually in, honestly, I would have paid more. I would have paid more, but obviously I didn't need to, so whatever. But yes, this is she. I don't want to like waffle on. I can do like a whole detailed video on a different day. So she has gold hardware, of course. I do nothing but gold. I mean, I do white gold too, but you know. I'll show you the inside really quickly. I need to take this tag off, to be honest, because I already know that I'm keeping it. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it came. Of course, it did come with the box and everything, but I had to sanitize that because, well, this is the new age. So there's no point in me actually showing you that box because it's all sprayed up now. But she did come in the dust bag as well, and like some wrapping. But who cares about that? So hang on, I'm just going to show you the inside of the bag. It comes with a pouch inside as well, actually. So I'm just going to detach the pouch really quickly and show you guys. Okay, so here's the pouch. It has the interlocking CC all over the pouch, as you can see. And this one is in the beige gold tone fabric as well. So I don't know if you can actually see that based on this light. It's kind of bright, to be honest. But so it has this pouch. Inside the pouch is the same fabric. Inside the bag itself, I'm going to try my best to show you. And this bag was made in Italy, I believe. Let me just double check that really quickly. Yeah, this bag was made in Italy. My little serial number is just in there, over there at the back. Isn't she a beauty? My zip closure functions so smooth as well. Everything about this bag is just pristine. I mean, I cannot even believe that I scored this bag. The type of bags that I like are crossbody and handle bags. So for me, she's absolutely perfect. I wouldn't change her at all. Again, I don't know if the camera is picking up just how spectacular and special she actually is, but I'm dying for this bag. I'm literally, my heart, when I saw it, I was having heart palpitations. Like, I was literally waiting to find a vintage bag. It didn't have to be Chanel. It could have been anything. It could have been Louis, it could have been Chanel, it could have been Dior, it could have been anything. I was literally just looking for one vintage piece that I literally fell in love with, so that for my first vintage buy, it would have been something to remember, you know? So I wanted it to be something that I literally was drooling over, and this was this. I was singing to the heavens and back. I was like to my husband, look, this now, thank you. This is she. I can't wait to style her. I can't wait to take some little pictures with her as well. Can't wait to take her out on her first trip. I know right now, well, we can't really be going anywhere, but whatever. I get to enjoy her at home. Yeah, I don't know what else to say apart from she's just stunning. I mean, let me try and see if I can show you a closer shot of the, oh, jeez. Look at that. This bag is in pristine condition, absolute pristine condition. I mean, can we just, like, I'm trying to show you the real, there we go, it's kind of showing you the color there, but not quite. It's very bright in this room, but very stylish bag, very chic, very me, very me, very me. Like, whoever owned this bag just had it on the shelf. If you were the owner and you somehow stumbled across this video, I just want to say you're amazing. You looked after this bag. I mean, can we just, you looked after this bag so well, and I'm absolutely happy and thankful that I managed to get my hands on it, and she's now part of my collection. So yes guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing. As always, if you haven't had enough, then definitely click this video right here, or maybe this one right here, and definitely spend some more time with me. And if you have any suggestions of videos that you would like to see, then definitely leave it in the comments down below, or just say hi. Then I tend to stay online for the first half an hour once uploading, so let's have a conversation, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.